Hey guys, I'm Juana
and I'm
Geneva. And today we will be showing you all our cat stuff that we got our cat, including our cat.
Yeah, I'm going to show you the cat first. Okay, let's look at him. He's so fluffy and his name is Wolverine. Can you little Wolverine?
He's a little
super
tired.
cute. Mwah. Yeah.
So
in his little cat tower.
So I'll show you his cat tower. So up here, as you can see, is a bed. Down here, as you can see, he has a little scratcher. Is a little torn up.
He also has like a little plaything. He likes to play with it on top. He likes to play with it anywhere. Little cute paws.
Now let's move on to the next.
Yeah, let's move on to the chair that we got him.
So we got him this brown chair from our grandpa. He gave us to it for free. He gives us stuff all the time. And I just covered it with the blanket so he can lay on it.
This chair is really comfortable.
So
Let's show him the bed.
The next one is the bed. So it took us quite a bit of work to do this. It's kind of torn up already. Yeah. But here's his cat house.
You can flash it over there because I'm going to do it like this. Look.
So,
Flash it back.
So we gave him some pom-poms.
You should do pranks on him.
And then we wrote Wolfie. We didn't have time to write Wolverine. I mean, we didn't have space.
Somewhere.
And we just drew this. There was a little hanging thing that he could just mess around with. We had
There were two of them. There's just a plain one with the string. And then there was the other one with a ball.
We put a pillowcase and we just cut out a little door for it. And then my sister Juana decorated this side.
And she
Say hi.
decorated that side. Hi.
She decorated that. And I decorated this. Hi. And it says kitty.
Mine is like, it just has smiley faces in it. And the colors that I put are blue, purple, yellow, pink, red, green, brown. Yeah, and that's all.
All I use is just some ribbon and some simple crayons. Hers was a bunch of paint, pencils, colored pencils, markers, stuff. And it took us quite a while. We didn't decorate this side so we could just pick it up by handles, as you can see. So we're gonna go put this back, and that is a lot of the cat stuff. And here is his food and water bowl and his litter box. So he lives in this closet as his little room. Yeah. So that is like the end of the video because that's like all his stuff.
Yeah.
So bye.
We'll show you our next video.
Bye.
Bye.